We are in the height of the summer, and that means it's a good time to make no-bake desserts. I'm part of a no-bake desserts collaboration hosted by Her Homemaking Heart and Sunny in the Suburbs, and I'm gonna be making a doozy of a no-bake dessert. I heard about this special pudding called hard-boiled egg pudding. It's like a chocolate pudding that has like 10 hard-boiled eggs in it. And it's supposed to taste great. Yes, you need 10 hard-boiled eggs. Put those in a blender. A can of coconut milk. A half cup of some type of sweetener. I'm using agave. A quarter cup of cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Teaspoon of cinnamon. Tiny bit of salt. And then you puree it until very, very smooth. And then you pour it into some dishes. I cannot believe that texture. Look how smooth it is. Okay, I gotta say it smells extremely eggy. What you need to do next is you need to refrigerate it overnight. That makes it nice and cool, and it's supposed to take away any eggy flavor and smell. It's supposed to be a very keto recipe. I can't wait to try it. Here it is. It's very stiff. And it smells like chocolate. It does not smell like egg at all. Let's taste it. Look at that. It is really good. It's very coconutty, chocolatey, and not a hint of egg flavor. It's just so wild that the eggs created that thickness. This is pudding made from hard-boiled eggs, and it works. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen. I love being surprised by these things. Why do ghosts love health food? Because it's super natural.